you open your first term exam file. Everyone, please open your first term exam file. Everyone, open it. Open your first term exam file. Open it. Today we will learn how to edit it. Today we will learn how to edit it. Okay, how to edit it. That's why my request to everyone, open your main file. Open your main file. Open your main file. Everyone. And connect the tick. So connect the tick from the viewing table. Connect the tick. Listen one thing. Without the tick, please never start your work. When your tick file is available here, 1, 2, 3, 4, then you will start your journey, editing journey. So, how to digitize this portion? Okay, how to digitize it? Everybody, I think, already opened. So before starting editing, so your left side, this 4 data, yes or no, check it. Left side. So this 4 data is available, yes or no, check it. So now we can start today's class. I will give you some time to practice it, no problem. So before starting, your this editor is available, yes or no, check it. This file is available, yes or no, check it. So now, if not, right button click and editor. Listen, look at the screen. This is the area where 3 things is available. Start edit, stop edit, save it. Repeat it again. Start edit, stop edit, save it. When you will start edit, 3 things. I will do it, then you will do it. Don't do this. When you will start edit, your editing is on. Look, your mouse cursor is changed. This is the tools, editing tools. There is so many items also there. This is the create feature. Look, I am just closing the right side on thing. This is the create feature. This is the create feature. Look at this thing. If I stop the editing, then the create feature area is being positioned now. So the next option, what you need to do, repeat it again, start edit. Okay. Then maybe your time the start edit may be showing something, some information. Then you will give the continue. Then you will give the continue. Okay. Then you will give the continue. But when you finish your editing, you will first click the save. Then editor, stop editor. Then you will click the save. So which procedure you need to maintain? Anyone can say? Tell me. Tell me. Some of the students took help from your friend and sent your project. My request to you, don't do this. After that's why I am just observing your things. Make sure it is happening, then it is a problem. So editor, start editing. I am just starting editing. Look at these things. You are starting editing. Then look at the screen. You need to zoom. Zoom more zoom. Look, that is the black color, and your boundaries color is also black. So it is difficult for you to actually what? To edit it. If you make this area, then it is difficult for you to see this. That's why you need to change the color. Double click it. If the black, then give it red. Increase the width. 4. Increase the width. Sometimes I need to go to the right side, so there's someone are waiting. That's why. Okay. Then again. Look at this thing. This is the boundary. Anywhere you can start. This is the area. If you click it, if you change it, it doesn't mean you are working that side. If you click the right side, which item you are clicking, that item you can draw. So, click these things and your mouse cursor start for drawing. And your mouse cursor should be go between the black color area. So look at this thing. So you need to go down. What you need to do? You will use this pen to move your mouse. Again you need to click that. And you need to look. For this area there is a wrong concept. Wrong is that the red color, that's why sometimes some problem is arise. That problem I am just telling you. Right button click and finish it. Look, here is this is the road area, it's coming here. So you need to delete it. How to delete this portion? First you need to split it. This is the editing tool. Select it. This is the split. I will do it, no problem. 1 or 2 times, don't worry. Again, you need to split it. With my mouse cursor, I'm just deleting this portion. I will show you, please don't worry about this method. I will give you the time. What I am doing, you need to understand first. Finish this step. Again, I am going to the down. I will give you the time. Again, boundary. So this is the another area. So you need to just click here. What I am doing, look. If I need to move it, I am just using the, tell me. I am using the pen command to move my screen. How to finish it? Right button click and finish sketch. So sketch is finished. So now I am zoom out. Look. And look at the screen. Uncheck the row. Look. This is not my digital area. So now my request to everyone, please save it, stop it, then again save it. Everyone, please open and I just give you 2 minutes to practice it. Practice it. Philippines, yes or no? Just little bit practicing, then give me the response. Response.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Philippines. So you how to start reading, how to save it, how to stop it, and how to save all settings again. So it is clear for everyone, yes or no? Tell me.
Can you repeat again? Because my network problems are
Okay,
totally.
look at this. How to start. Start edit. Then there is the create feature. You choose it. Then start edit from here. Then look at this thing. Sometimes somebody are doing this type of thing, and they will.
Yes, sir.
Look, the problem having I am just taking this thing. They are clicking off. My drawing is fine. They are like that. Definitely. Please, I will check it like that. Look, there is the your please. I just give you one example. Suppose as for example, everyone you have your own house, yes or no? Tell me, your father has a house, yes or no? Maybe the rent, maybe the owner house, yes?
Yes, sir.
Someone wants to
Yes,
make
sir.
your area. What you will do? What you will do? Tell me.
Sir,
You will protest it. Yes or no? As like
Yes,
as
sir.
that.
Right, sir.
Yes, as like as that. This is the other person area. That is other district area. You cannot do this. That's why you need to delete it by how this is the editor tools make it and do it. Your drawing should be more to more accurate. Like that. Start with now. Start. And again 10. Again 20. So what I am doing, the other areas, I just ignore this area because this is not our project area. That's why I am just omit this thing. Again, this more to and boundary, put the boundary. And finish. So the first your task is because next class you need to submit your midterm project. Simple things, midterm project. This is a big project. I'm just giving the slice things so that you can. To omit so many things. So boundary, you need to close the boundary by using these things. Now I am just how to draw the road. Now we will know how to draw the road. So I just save it, stop it. Change the road color. First change it because look at this area. That was red, that's why black, that's why we are using that. That is the so many colors. So please, you need to please decide so many road is here. If you check it, it is horrible thing. That's why 3 road you need to draw. If you are writing your color. That is black color road, red color road, and another is blue color road. This three road you need to draw. Others you do not need to draw for that. Here, black color road on, red color and blue color. Okay, I am just going to the electric.
Sir, black color is 3.
Three black color, you will draw the three black color. Black color will show out. Look at this screen. How many black color is there? Look. Look. There is the project. Color project. On black color. Because national, international, and this road is actually too small. So, the blue color is not a too big thing. Only the third unit you can finish this thing. It is really common. It will give the concentration. I know that your computer is fast. Okay, so you can listen. So now the road, we will change the road color. Suppose as for any type of color you can. So that it will just match with your, suppose I am just using the other color. Expressway, I just select it. I just select it for the expressway so that we can differentiate. You can differentiate what? You can differentiate the color with our projection. So what you need to do? You can display. So you need to start your this drawing. How? Start edit. Then this time you need to use this row. Then start your diamond. Go slow please for the design time. Drawing, because the drawing time you need to take care. Suppose if you feel to more slow, more zoom in, so it's the zoom, more zoom, so you can easily draw that type of thing. You can. So you note again. You just move your mouse cursor. Okay. So if you need to stop some area, suppose this area, and again, so every time what I am doing, move the pen, hit this road, move my mouse cursor. Suppose if you want to stop your this thing, I don't click, this is stop. Again it's a click different. How to separate every item. You will draw the road in every same color. Don't worry. Same color. Some are doing wrong thing. Have three types of road, that's why I am just telling you. No. You draw the everything, same thing. Everything, same color, don't worry. Because we need the idea. And idea it will automatically. Everything, this is the GIS special benefit. Every time when you give the ID, automatically all the things will come. Okay? So click start, then about that. So the road. So you need to select the road. Three types of road you need to select. So this is your road. You need to select three categories of all roads because next class, in the class time, I will give you time and you will submit your project. You will submit your project. So I will give the, before the one day ago, I will give you the instruction how to finish it. So next is your next task. When you set all the things, then the next task is, this is the point. Look at this, so many simple yes or no. You have how many simple yes or no? Tell me location. So there is so many simple yes or no. Tell me inside the map.
Sir, so many.
Yes, that's why. What do you need to do? Just every category, at least 3 you will draw it, not more than. At least 3. But maximum boundary is up to you. So if there is only 14 categories, so 14 into 3, that is 42 items from here. you will draw it. And from this administrative location, these three things, because this is inside the location, these three things you will draw all the things. So more or less your symbol is only 50 to 60, not more than that. So what you will do? How to give the location? So you need to change the location point first. 50. Then suppose give the pink color for example. Because how to separate it? I just give it more. How to separate it? You will learn. If you believe it or not, give the ID. Give the ID automatically everything with the magic it will change it. So how to start it? Look, start it. Then more zoom and you put the point. Only point. What you do, you will put the point. Suppose that for example, I just keep the location. Just put the point. Look. 1, 2, 3. If the primary screen, you do not need to give any other primary point. If you give it, boundary is only 3 minimum, maximum whatever. If you give it the bazar, okay. If the bazar is finished, 1, 2, 3, you do not need to put this type of thing again. So every but the after union you need to give every union. Suppose if there is another union, affiliate union, you need to give that type of every union, airport union. But hospital is 1, 2, and 3. It's clear. So the location is only that category. So now ready, stop it. Then the next one, the river. This time, look at this thing. The river there is, please listen. I will give you the time. 10 minutes time to practice it. Don't worry. I just finish it so that you can understand. Because I need to give the another example for the electrical. Because some of the students are electrical, they are thinking, sir, you are giving the lecture only the agricultural institute. What about that? That's why don't worry about this. So this river, how to do this type of thing? Look at the river. River time, you need to draw the both of the portions divided. More blue, more blue. Then what you will do? Change the river color. Change it. If this color, if the black is okay, put the fine. Increase it. Then start it. Then keep the river. And you need to draw. Look. Again. Go up. I'm checking. Now look at your river. So it's clear for everyone. So now your everything is now clear, I think. So please, I'm just giving the 10 minutes for the civil and agriculture. Make the whole thing, and I'm just going to the electrical system, so that electrical system can do this type of thing. Okay? So please, I'm just giving the time. By this time, try to practice the whole thing. Practice it. I'm just going to the electrical. So please look at the electrical. Agriculture and civil, please do this type of thing. So I'm just opening the on agriculture. So electrical. electrical, look at the first thing you need to connect your feet. Connect your feet. After connecting the feet, the next thing, what you need to do, you need to start your PBS boundary, the PBS boundary. Look, your color is the other color. So you need to change the color. Any color you can, if you think other color, yellow, so many things, or you can change from here, whatever you like. Because how to give the original shape, we will learn later. So just for example, you can give it any other color. Suppose we just give it this color, and then what you need to do, more zoom, start it, PBS boundary, and start it. So you draw this your boundary. And create your, so if you minimize it, look, your boundary, you will create the all in total boundary. Then next is your 33 line. Before the 33 line, I request you use the substation. Suppose if you think substation, give the substation some things. Maybe it will not like that, just put the substation. With substation, only the existing substation you will put it here. So click the substation and put the substation here. Not the all substation, only the existing substation. All the symbol you can give it. So look, only existing substation. You will give the existing. Then another thing, your 33 line. Before starting, you need to go down. Look at the screen. This is your PBS headquarters. PBS grid existing. These three things you will give it here. Only these three things. Another, some of the things, that is international boundary, PBS boundary, you will draw it on boundary, that is PBS boundary. 33 kV line, national highway, please, national highway, regional highway, and Upojela, these three things you will draw. National highway, regional highway, and Upojela. So look at the screen. I am just going to the 33 line. Look, this is the 33. So you will go to the electric line. So change it. Change the color. Don't give the same color, otherwise it is difficult for him to understand this thing. So this color. So from this area, start your journey. That is drawing. Look, more zoom. Again. Don't worry about this point, because we will change this point and start your journey. And move here. Ready? Stop. And zoom out. Look at this thing. Uncheck it. Like that. So another thing is your road. So what is the road? Which color? Suppose this is the road. This is your road. Sometimes this is your road. So you start your road. This is the road. Change the color. Suppose this color you can use. Start it. Road. Start from anywhere from the road. Yes, this is your road. Start. Because how to change everything we will learn. That's why, because GIS project is totally project basis one. Without the project, if I tell you everything, you never actually just memorize that thing. GIS is not a memorized thing. It's a hand tools one. So if you finish it, automatically all the things inside your brain. It will automatically just input. So look at this thing. You will finish it. Finish like that. Save it and stop. So another thing is location. Location means, look, there is so many things you can put it by the location. That location is, if you go to your PDS headquarters, river crossing, that type of thing, if it is there, then you will put it as a location. Maybe your location is here. Okay. So you will finish it. If the river, then the same thing, you need to do it. If the river, you need to give the other color so that you can easily see your river. This color, for example. Then both of the sides, you need to draw it. Both of the sides. So start it. River. Then this side, you will draw it. Finish it sketch. Again, this side you will draw again that side. The reverse time my request to please carefully draw it. Finish it. So your all the things is now okay. Uncheck it. So you can river, all the road, your previous boundary, existing forestation you will draw. So then 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7, then 14, then 21, 28. This fourth class, it is difficult for me to finish the GIS full part because GIS is a big volume. Yes, midterm you need to submit your project because it's a 2 hours work. Only you will draw. Only drawing, because otherwise it is difficult for us to complete this task. Because look at the screen, then you can understand. You need to finish it, you need to make your JPG, listen, this JPG and your final task look like that. One thing. Second thing is, I am just opening something, look at the screen. Everyone, give attention. There is so many apps. This is the apps. You will just check it, then you will understand the sir, you are just giving the GIS. Look, I am just opening all tasks, then you can understand. 4 class and how many tasks I will just give you. Look, this is the data management tools. I am just clicking it. Under the data management tools, there is so many apps. Only all group I will open it. That is data management tools. Under the data management tools, look, there is the so many items. I am just opening one thing, that the feature. Under that there is so many. Only one item I am just opening. Then you can understand, 4th class, it's a 2 years work. Okay, now you are just thinking GIS is not a easy. Look at this thing. Only I am opening one thing. That data management tool. In my life, I just use all the tools. And I know that if possible, I will give at least this part so that you can understand others. That's why midterm I am just giving. If you finish it, then it is possible for me to give the next lecture. Otherwise, it is not possible. Now clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Your left side electrical boundary, RT line, substation, lever, road, location. This is all the total drawing you will finish with. Next class we will learn the geo database system. Listen, look at the screen. Suppose you are giving the location or the substation, right button click. Open this thing. Suppose now today I am just opening on somebody's personal word so that you can understand. Then you can understand something. Look, please, this is the all work done by the NRCA company. Then you can understand. Otherwise you can't. But I am opening because the computer is difficult for it to open this file. Look, this is the area, and this is the previous line. This is the road. How to categorize the road? This is the pole. This is the pole. Okay, and under everything, suppose road, if you right button click, open the attribute, then you can understand how to give this data. It's not automatically come, you need to put it sometime. Look at this boundary. This is the so many boundary here, and if you right button click, open attribute. So how to work on this attribute? We will learn this. And this is the substation, for example. This is the electrical line. I just open it, then you can understand. Look at this electrical line. This is the thing. It will not automatically come. You need to put it. Look at this data. Therefore, this type of map, the costing for preparation more than 70 lakh, and they are charging this type of things more than crore, because this is 2 crore plus 1. And as a good GIS person, there you can build your career by this GIS. There is a master in some of the organizations, especially the GIS. Some of the students last semester actually admitted Jaminogo, master in GIS. Agriculture, civil, and electrical. And the starting salary, if you believe it or not, is more than 80,000. So you can build your career in this area. And our foreigners respected teachers in this university, okay, some of the departmental heads, they are actually filling the PhD on this subject here. So you can take help from the teacher if you want to make this career. And we also give you some type of help if you need it. Don't worry. So I think so look at these things. Another thing. There is every area there is some block. Yes or no? Tell me. You are seeing some block?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Every block. Suppose this is the one block. I5. So in typical I5, if you want to learn, you need to go to the layout plan. I, then 5. Then there is you saw the tree map. Now it is a detail map. Detail map means every portion of trees there. And all the file, look at this thing. This file is an interlinking file. Interlinking file. Okay. Interlink, and this is the practical area. If you go to the practical, look at this thing. This is the I5 and this is the data. Every data, every here. Look previous code. Look at this previous code, electrical. This is the file. Only you are putting the only give you the code. But automatically, how to prepare this type of thing? You can learn from here. Because in my previous career life, I just prepared that type of things. Okay, the GIS directly just involve that area. I know that type of thing. Don't worry. I will help you to know the exact geographical information. Electrical, civil or electrical. We have so many files, if you believe it or not. Okay? So please, I think your task is clear now. Now I am just, please fill all the boundaries, outer boundary, road, river, location, please. And send GP and send it to me. Send file with upgraded some of the portion. You send it to me. Because I am shocked to saw your some file because somebody got copied from us. Prepared by others. Please you will face a problem. Because finally you need to come to university and show it to me your project. Now I am outside country, please don't do this. Don't do that type of work. So please, I am just calling your name one by one, please respond. Your location, you will give the location on the basis of your this area, on the basis of administrative boundary, headquarter, national center, physical infrastructure, security infrastructure. You will draw it, but how to separate it? Next class you will learn. Okay? One by one, please respond. Jai-Dasan. Any other, you have any question, please tell me.
Sir, from socio-economic infrastructure, sir, I have to select at least 3 from each.
Yes, at least 3, not more than your rules, but at least 3. That is 14 items, 42 points you will give it. Any other question? Tell me. If you have any question, Asadujaman?
Yes, sir.
You mean, what is it? Electrical, you have any question? Please tell me. If you face any problem, tell me, please. This time I can give you the information how to solve it. Please, everyone, my request to you, everyone, make a wrong design and split it. Then you can understand something. Because you will face some problem. Okay. So now I am just calling your name, please. Okay, thank you. So please, zip your file. If you have any problem, you can call me tomorrow, no problem. Okay? But that time is your 9552. That 5 p.m. After that, don't call us. Okay? We will help you, don't worry. Because we will finish with your help. Okay? And I will give you the solution how to solve it. Thank you everybody. Assalamu alaikum.